I'm Hugh Welsh. I'm the president of DSM North America with our headquarters in Parsippany, New Jersey. DSM is a major private sector player in the area of malnutrition, specifically with respect to hidden hunger or micronutrient deficiency. So this was a perfect forum for me to have an opportunity to speak with a very diverse constituency, folks from academia, from government, from universities, where ordinarily I just speak to other fellow businessmen in the private sector. So it was a great chance for me to introduce DSM to a lot of folks who could really help us find solutions to some of these issues. Better definition of some of the issues, both in the developed as well as the developing world, areas for us to focus R&D and operations, and different people with whom to partner. Convenings like these have led to tremendous partnerships in the past, and I hope that both here today and going forward they will with Global Action Platform as well. Convenings like these are opportunities to bring together sort of very diverse constituencies which would otherwise not find each other in the market. So for example, at DSM I was able to form partnerships with organizations like the United Nations World Food Program to help supplement their school feeding programs such that we can bring millions of children every single day, not only food in caloric terms, but enough micronutrients to allow them the opportunity to reach their full potential. DSM, we don't think that you could ever have equal opportunity in learning and earning unless you have nutritional equal opportunity. And we're looking to find ways to bring our products, and our products would be vitamins, carotenoids, enzymes, nutritional lipids, to the 3 billion people on the planet today that don't get enough of those, and as a consequence don't have the capacity to reach their full potential either physically or cognitively. So any ideas on how we might be able to do that, either directly or through partnerships, are, as you might imagine, more than welcome.